What's up, guys? This is Rain Party Part 2. Yep, and it is really fun out here. It's raining a lot. Like, there's a big puddle, but like it's raining a lot, and it's really fun. JoJo, you wanna do some dance moves?
I don't know.
Come on, do the dab. Hit the dab. Hit the dab, man. Hit the dab. Dab on him. Dab on him. Dab on him again. Hit the quad.
Oh my God.
Hit the folks. Guys, he just went back in the shelter.
Why are you filming me? Get out. It's myself to hold me. Get out.
This guy's going crazy for territory. Here's our mom. She came out to check on us.
It's raining hard, ain't it?
Yeah. This is our part 2 of Rain Party. Part 2.